dinner.
Nice.
Where there's smoke, they pitch back.
Yo, what's up, Sonic Family Squad? It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And today in this video, I'm going to be doing another sound comparison video, which my friend Ari told me to know it, but he requested me to do this video. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Let me just do my requirements, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So we're going to do the Waltz of Flowers sound comparison. So first, maybe we can go ahead and maybe go with the 390. So let's go ahead and whoop. Here we go. So let's start. Uh-oh. Wait, what? There. Got it. Sound comparison time. There. So see, that's why I like about that is the clock closes. Alright, moving on to the 394. So here we go. Huh?
A few moments later.
Alright, this is it. There. Alright, squad, that's gonna probably be it for the video. So anyways, if you want to see more Seiko clock sound comparisons, you let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, thanks to Ari for requesting me to do this video. Don't forget to spin down the like button. Don't forget to subscribe with a bell on. And I guess that's it for the video. Until for next time, I'll see you guys for another video. Hedgehogs out. Peace!
Hego!